Hey, how's everyone doing today? You are looking at a sample pair of Lonzo Ball sneakers from the first edition. These were the remix, but they're actually a little different. Obviously, the retail pair didn't have this crazy colorway. It was more of a basic colorway. So this is a pair directly from Lonzo Ball, sample size 13. I would say game worn, but I have no proof. There are no games where I believe that he wore these. So I don't know if it was for practice or a promotional thing. He signed them to a Brian Darris. I know it looks like Davis, I would assume too, but the guy assured me it was Darris. So if anyone knows Brian Darris, I apologize for the video. Anyway, purchased them for a pretty good price on eBay. You could find out it wasn't my happiest moment in terms of money spent. But for the sneakers, I'm super excited. They're signed by Lonzo Ball on the right side. And as you notice on that left side, it says to Brian Darris. So that's the part I'm going to work on removing today. If you guys have been with me a long time on the channel, I've removed autographs from sneakers in many different situations. You could check out how to take Sharpie off a sneaker right here. I'm going to put the link up top. So feel free to check that out. That's what you're looking for. But if you're looking for ballpoint pen, I'm going to work on that today. See if we can't take the ballpoint pen, is what I'm assuming these are done in, out of the sneaker. So first off, I'm going to use just some detergent and water, which usually would erase anything on the sneaker that's not ballpoint pen. Obviously you see you're not even getting a whole lot of fading. It's really just cleaning the sneaker behind it. Maybe if I did it long enough it would go away. Let's see. So that'd be nice if I don't even have to use the magic eraser. I'm a happier man for that. But let's see if we can wipe anything off here. Maybe over time you could see it's deteriorating a little bit. I'm gonna try the magic eraser. This is Mr. Clean's. I can't believe it's 2020 and I'm just finding out about this product. 4 times stronger. We'll see if it works. I'm gonna wear a glove. I don't know, my mom was wearing a glove when she used it on some different activity, so I guess that's what I'm on. I don't know if it's harsh to the skin or what, but I did watch a special before that about these too, and how you could actually get them super cheap if you buy them in bulk. And obviously it just has to be the material. It doesn't have to be magic eraser. So I don't know if this is going to be too harsh. I could be ruining a shoe here, but I'm going to take it to the material, which is more like a mesh, and I'm going to hopefully erase that autograph, which you'll see. I mean, it's already breaking on me, this magic eraser, so that's just lovely. And I've heard that they do that. They don't last very long, but if it works, then obviously that's something big. So you'll notice it is fading. Whether it has to do with the magic eraser or it has to do with some of that detergent in there. So I'm taking both to the sneaker. Hopefully, what I was thinking earlier, my name is Brian with a Y, so that was actually kind of lucky. I could have just taken Darris off and kept to Brian, and it would seem like it was to me, but that's just phony. These weren't given to me. Actually probably paid more than Big Baller Brand did to make these, but it is what it is. I'm gonna keep scrubbing these because, as you notice, they're definitely starting to fade. In terms of you'll notice it's almost all the way gone. You can still see some remnants but you'll notice that it's working. So that's exciting. If I show the other shoe, still have that Lonzo Ball, clear as day.
Knicks, kicks, and ball flicks. Pause.